Looking for a game-changing CRM for your real estate business? Meet Follow Up Boss, the platform that claims to be the #1 choice for growing teams and high-producing agents. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into its features, benefits, and everything you need to know to decide if it's the right fit for you. Follow Up Boss is a real estate-focused CRM platform designed to help real estate professionals grow their businesses efficiently. With a strong focus on automation and integration, it's tailored for high-growth teams and agents who want to manage leads, streamline follow-ups, and close more deals with ease. Here are the key features and benefits of Follow Up Boss. Automated lead management. Follow Up Boss eliminates the need for manual data entry by integrating with your marketing systems and websites. This means that leads are automatically imported via email, allowing agents to respond faster and more frequently without the hassle of manual updates. Enhanced communication tools. Communication is critical in real estate, and Follow Up Boss delivers. With a built-in business phone system, agents can easily transfer calls, forward voicemails, and ensure that leads are directed to the right team member. The texting feature is equally robust, syncing seamlessly across desktop and mobile platforms. Agents can send group texts, auto texts, and even multimedia messages, ensuring every interaction is timely and effective. Email tracking and drip campaigns. Knowing when a lead engages with your communication can be a game changer. The platform notifies agents when emails are opened or links are clicked, providing real-time insights into engagement. Additionally, automated drip campaigns also allow agents to nurture leads and past clients with personalized, value-driven content over time. Powerful automations. Automations within Follow Up Boss are designed to save you time and streamline your workflow. For instance, automations can be triggered based on specific actions like tagging a lead or when a lead views a property. The platform also includes a preloaded best practice automation library with customizable templates for common tasks. Team collaboration and accountability. For team leaders and managers, Follow Up Boss offers tools like leaderboards, call tracking, and detailed reporting. These features provide insights into team performance and foster accountability, making it easier to identify areas for improvement and celebrate successes. Every tool has its advantages and challenges, and Follow Up Boss is no exception. Understanding both sides can help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right CRM for your real estate business. Pros. On the positive side, Follow Up Boss shines with its comprehensive communication tools that integrate calls, texts, and emails into one streamlined platform. Its automation features are a standout, saving agents time and boosting overall efficiency. For teams, the collaboration tools foster accountability and provide clear performance tracking, making it an excellent choice for group dynamics. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users report that the learning curve for mastering advanced features can be a bit steep, which may require additional time and effort to overcome. If you're still exploring options, you might also consider Work, etc., Nice Job, Efficacy, and Property Base. Each of these platforms offers unique features and might be worth exploring based on your business needs. Follow Up Boss offers 3 pricing tiers with options for monthly or annual billing. Annual plans include 2 months free. Features like personalized onboarding, a dedicated success manager, and white glove onboarding are available in higher tiers. The platform works seamlessly on modern browsers, Android, and iOS devices, making it accessible wherever you are. Not sure if Follow Up Boss is the right fit? Explore your options. Visit technologyadvice.com for a free list of top CRM solutions. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate tech reviews.